Hi there. I'm going to show you a new feature in Prime today, which allows you to override the appendix of your form templates based on a number of factors, including your client and your region or your job type, for example. So to facilitate this, we're going to jump into the administration system and we're going to navigate to our form templates. Now, I've made a favorite out of form templates there, but you can search for form templates in the filter menu option, or you can scroll down to the form section and you'll find form templates there as well. So when I go into my form templates, all of my different internal form templates are sitting here. So I've got my estimate, my sales invoice, my work order, quote templates, etc. So I'm going to jump into my estimate template, and what I'm about to show you applies to any of those templates that are in that list. So firstly, before I actually jump into the template itself, I'm going to go over to Appendixes using the tab at the top of Form Templates there. And you'll see quite clearly that I have two terms and conditions appendixes sitting there, TNC1 and TNC2. So I've uploaded both of those appendixes into the appendix section so that they're ready to use in my templates. If I now go back to my estimate template, you can obviously see my template details on the left there. My template content is sitting in the WYSIWYG editor in the middle of the screen there. And normally I would have my template option sitting on the right, but because we now have this appendix override sitting here, you may find that your template options drop beneath your content block. So when I look through my options, obviously the appendix field is about halfway down. I can set a default appendix of say TNC1 against this particular template. But then I can override. Now I've got my override block for my appendixes. It's a standard Prime override block that allows you to override based on your client, your region type, your state, your catastrophe code, division, job type, or peril. What I'm going to do for this little demo is just pick a different client. So I might go to one of my clients and add that override in, and now set it up to use TNC2 whenever I'm creating an estimate for that particular client. So that's how we implement these appendix overrides. Obviously, you can make use of this as you need. My example has shown you an example using terms and conditions, but obviously your appendixes could be other things. So whatever they may be, you can now have a standard appendix and you can have an override appendix for specific clients, job types, states, regions, catastrophes, perils, divisions.